Solving problems that involve more than 2 steps. There are a number of situations where the problem requires the application of more than 2 steps, although the equation used is still a first-order equation with one variable. For example, if there are 2 friends, Andy and Bill, who have posted a total 53 videos on social media, where Andy has posted 5 videos more than double of Bill, and the problem requires the number of videos posted by each friend, this problem involves more than 2 steps. Thus, first, we have to calculate the number of videos posted by the 2 friends taken together if Andy would have posted exactly double the number of Bill's videos. For this, we have to subtract 5 from 53, i.e. 53 minus 5 is equal to 48. The next step includes the use of proportion approach to find the number of videos posted by Bill. Thus, since A plus B equals 48 and A equals 2B, we have 2B plus B equals 48. So 3B equals 48 and therefore, B equals 48. 3 is equal to 16. The next step involves multiplying the number of Bill's videos by 2 to calculate the number of videos posted by Andy if he had posted exactly twice the number of Bill's videos. Thus, A equals 2B equals 2 times 26 is equal to 32. However, since Andy has in fact posted 5 more videos than double of Bill's, we have a last step still to follow. Thus, in fact, Andy has posted A equals 32 plus 5 is equal to 37 videos in social media. Obviously, this is a long and time-consuming procedure. We can instead create an equation from the clues and solve everything in a much shorter way. We can write the following as shown on screen. And since A equals 2B plus 5, we can substitute it in the previous equation to obtain the number of videos posted by Bill. Thus, we have the following shown on screen. In this way, the number of videos posted by Andy therefore is, we have the following shown on screen. Hence, the result is the same as that obtained by means of the previous method, as expected. Example. Stacy's age is 12 years more than triple the age of her daughter Cindy, while Mary, the mother of Stacy, is 22 years older than Stacy. Calculate Mary's age if Cindy is 9 years old. Solution. A. First step, we calculate what is triple the Cindy's age. This number is 3c equals 39 is equal to 27. Second step, now, we calculate Stacy's age. Thus, S equals 27 plus 12 is equal to 39. Third step. Finally, we calculate Mary's age. We have M equals S plus 20 is equal to 39 plus 20 is equal to 59. B. We can express this situation through a single equation. Thus, we can write the following as shown on screen. Where S equals 3c plus 12. Thus, substituting this last expression in the original equation yields, we have the following as shown on screen. That is all for lesson 9.2.3. To continue this tutorial, please watch 9.2.4, Solving Word Problems Through Equations. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe to keep up to date with new videos. For more information, calculators, and tutorials, please visit www.icalculator.info.